Welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ and I get happy when I get a box because I get to use my knife. And there's always something special in the box. So let's see what's inside. There's a box inside the box. Okay, don't need this box. Oh, I love lights. These are lights. I love lights. And I really love solar lights. So, this is a solar light. And it's a triple solar light. So it's a light here, and then you can open up the sides. And it's a light on the sides as well. So it gives an extra light right here. If you don't know anything about my channel, I don't do anything, no matter how easy it looks, without reading the instructions. This also comes with a remote, which I think is great. And it comes with a solar panel. But the solar panel is like a medium-sized solar panel. It's not really a big solar panel. But I'll show you everything up close. There we go. Throw your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button. Because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff and things, and you want to be a honeybee. When using the remote, when the motion is detected, mode 1 turns on high for 20 seconds and turns off after people left. Mode 2 turns on high for 20 seconds and it turns to dim after people left. Mode 3 turns light to medium at night. This light is installed on my cabin. It's super bright. Don't forget, slap that subscribe button, comment, like, and share on Instagram or social media.